Book of Heaven, Volume 11, May 21st, 1913, How the True Consummation is Formed. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, I want the true consummation in you, not imaginary, but true, though in a simple and feasible way. Suppose that a thought came to you which is not for me. You must destroy it and substitute it with the divine. In this way you will have formed the consummation of the human thought and acquired the life of the divine thought. In the same way, if the eye wants to look at something that displeases me or does not refer to me, and the soul mortifies herself, she has consumed the human eye and acquired the eye of the divine life, and so with the rest of your being. Oh, how I feel these new divine lives flowing in me, taking part in everything I do. I love these lives so much that I surrender everything for love of them. These souls are first before me, and if I bless them, through them others are blessed. They are the first to be benefited and loved, and through them others too are benefited and loved.